Hey guys, welcome back to Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel. My name is MacDog and today we are going to be making slime, but with a twist. So I am going to be putting in sand. I don't know how it'll turn out, but hopefully it's good. So yeah, let's get started. Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel. Woof, bark, bow wow dogs. Fluffy is a Scruffy. Scruffy is a Fluffy. Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel. First, I'm gonna wanna add in some glue. I'm just gonna add in a little bit at first. Okay. I'm going to add in some food dye. I'm just using teal. So yeah, kind of looks like a dark green, but it's teal. I'm going to mix it. Okay. And then I'm going to add in some glitter. I'm going to mix it now. And look at this nice color I got going here. You can see the glitter. Okay, now for the part you've all been waiting for, the sand. They're more like teeny tiny rocks and like, whoops, just spilled some on my desk. I'm gonna add in not that much at first. I'm going in. It's kind of, it's weird. I don't know if I like this or not. It looks cool. I wonder how the texture will be. Probably like really grimy and stuff. Set it down. Put more. Ooh. This is weird, guys. Look. Ugh. That is so weird. I'm gonna put in the last of this. What is that? Going on, guys. It's a crunchy slime. Hey, crunchy slime. But like literally though, like it's actually crunchy. Oh, this feels so weird. This is exactly why I don't drop it on the kitchen floor. Okay, now as my activator, I am using ketchup. It was just at my grocery store. Ooh, this is weird. Guys, it's activating. But I have a feeling it'll take a little longer to activate than normal. I'm really excited to feel this. Yuck. Okay, I'm gonna, this needs a lot. It's not the best thing. Oh wow. I put a lot of activator in. It wasn't activating. So here it is, guys, after a long time mixing and activating and stuff. Ooh, that feels so weird. Oh, wow. It's like literally crunchy slime. Oh, wow. It's kind of hard to, well, no, it's okay to stretch. I don't know, it just feels so weird. You guys should totally try this at home. It is like, I don't know, it's just so weird. I got this sand at a hardware store, but you could probably just go and get sand at the beach. Alright, let's test this baby out. Get all this stuff off my desk. So here's my slime. So cool. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, there's a bubble! Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. So, yeah. Wow, look at that. It feels so weird too. It's like crunch, crunch. Oh, and it has, like, it's kind of good for poking. I'm gonna try to make a bubble again. Ooh, double bubble, yay! Yay! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all next time. Please like and hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below what videos you want me to do next. And see y'all next time. Goodbye. Go get it. Oh, you're so cute. Are you so cute? Aww. Scruffy, look. Get. Oh, there it is. You found your ball. Good job. Scruffy. Go get it. Good job. Good boy. Oh, do you love your ball? Scruffy interview. Do you love your ball? You sorta do? Oh, no, you really do? Do you want to lick the ball? Oh, no? Okay. Oh,